Welcome to Shivam Computer Institute. Just one click passport size photo create in Photoshop. Let's start. Create new file and select image. File and open and select image and hit open. I will record this tutorial Photoshop action so that can I use the photograph. Go to create new sheet and change name sheet 1 and OK. Again create new action file and click action name change and record click. Select all and copy photo. New image document, set resolutions and width and dimension. File, new, change millimeters, (35, 45 and resolution 300 and create. Paste the photo in new document. Edit, paste. Go to the left click 3 dot and insert stop. Type message stop, click and allow continue and OK. Resize your photo, free transform. Go to edit and free transform, select and adjust image. And check and background layer, select right click and flatten image. Now select all photo and again select and modify and extract and contrast by 10 pixels and hit OK. Again select and select inverse. Again new layer and go to edit and fill white background and hit OK. Again select and deselect. Now double click layer and stroke and size 1 pixel and position outside and opacity 50 and OK. And again background right click and flatten image. Select on copy the photo. Select all. Edit, copy. Again Now make a new document in resolution, set, file, new, set resolution, and height, and create. Paste the selection, new document, edit and paste. Adjust image, again Ctrl+V, paste image. Shift hold and select layer and right click and merge layer. Copy layer, drag and drop new layer. Again layer. Drag and drop. And close. No. Again main file and create action file. And stop action file. Check again, file, open, select image, open and hit play action. Click folder and play action. And continue and create passport size photo. Thanks for watching.